guys. Jay Strategies. We're going live here, so that way we can talk about the Bitcoin price. Okay, so let's see. All right, so overall market cap on Bitcoin here we have. Let me just close that out. Yeah, I got the Fibonacci level here, and we got, okay, look at that, 666. Oh my god, we caught the overall market cap at 666, man. That's crazy. So yeah, guys. All right, let's go ahead and shoot on back here to overall Bitcoin, and let's have a discussion. Let's have a little chat, guys. All right, so we can see here our current Fibonacci levels. Let's just go ahead and zoom out and see. Yeah, you see that 28K level? Everybody's screaming and heading for the hills. So you can see that on the 1 hour, we're testing this EMA ribbon. This is a important level because this EMA ribbon is our resistance levels now. Let's hop over to the 4 hour. Okay, just get a little view here. You see the Fibonacci level? Okay, where it shows 3.6. Okay, looks like we tested. So what I would like to see here on this longer term, time frame would be a retest of that. We go back to the 1 hour and we see, you see that pivot point right there? You see the fib level right there at 34,247. So they might pull back and get, take back some of that liquidity right there. So let me go ahead and see something real quick. Let me go. Okay, so now we gotta go like this. Let me go here to some of these. Get some of these out of here, so that way we can drop in with some of our indicators here. Traders Reality has an excellent indicator, and on this indicator is where we can see the different sessions. Okay, I have to close another thing here. I have to close this, and then we have to. Oh, okay. Yeah, here we go. Excellent. So you see, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, you see the psychological low right there? Yeah. And then you see yesterday low, yesterday high, psychological high. You can see where we're at right now. Let's go hop over to the 4 hour. Excellent. Let's go ahead and see here. Okay. So let's hop on over here. See what we got. Now I'm liking that daily open, man. We can rock out on that one. So, all right, let me get the next one in on here. And yeah, so yesterday high, last week high. You see that weekly high right there? That's where I would like to hit. Okay, let's go ahead and pull into some news here. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and hop on over. Let's see what we can find in the news articles, guys. Okay. Crypto ice age may be coming as the Fed hikes interest rates in 2022. Experts react to the Fed's digital currency report and the falling prices for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Net advisor. Okay, experts react to the Fed's digital currency report and falling prices for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Here's what investors should know. Let's see what we have here. Look at them. He's like, yeah, boy. Uh-huh. Right, honey? All right. In a long-awaited report released last week, the Fed reported the cost of benefits of government-released digital currency, but deferred a different final decision. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Let me just hop over. I just gotta go over to the Telegram pages. All right. Let me hop over here real quick. Okay. So we gotta get this in here. Let me just go ahead and drop off here. You know, stopping by all the Telegram groups. You know, just letting everybody know J Strategies live. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive back into this report here. All right. So yeah, basically that's what they're saying. Net advisor. Okay. Long-awaited report released last week. The Feds explored the cost and benefits of government-issued digital currency. First, let's go like this. Let's click on this and let's go back and see what we got going on over here. Ethereum just hit a 6-month low. See how it goes. All right, let's see. What's up, guys? Follow along and tweet out our post. Let's get rocking. Okay, so let me just drop some tweets here. Hold on, we're going to Twitter real quick. Gonna drop some tweets. Okay, so here we go. Latest cryptos news. Bitcoin and Ethereum hits lowest price in months, and the Fed releases report on potential government-issued cryptocurrency. Now, guys, you see how we're talking about this now, and you see how the market's being pushed down? So, what do you think that is? Could that be some form of market manipulation?
How about why your DNA was under her finger? This is crazy. This video was released on social media last night and hopefully.
Learn about the markets. Okay, so yeah, we're just doing a tweet. Come hang with J Strategies. So yeah. Let's go ahead and just move some stuff out here. Come hang with J Strategies. So let's see. Okay, now I can get my little setup here going on, and we can rock it. Okay, so come hang with J Strat. We're just busting out some tweets here. We can go on Twitter. I'll drop that also live in the chat. Learn about the markets and strategy. STRATEG and strategies. Okay, now let me just get this tweet out there for you guys. Okay, so now let's see what else we got boiling in here for some reports for us. Okay, so we're learning that the Feds and the digital currency and, you know, all the different things that they have happening, you know. Just jump back over to the chart while I get out some of these tweets here. But as you can see, we are viewing, wait wait for it to pop back up for us here. And we are viewing here Bitcoin. And I'm going to interact with you guys in the chat. Load. Okay. So, yeah, it looks like we are on Ethereum there. I'll hop over to Bitcoin, and then we can hop back and forth, you know, as we do our thing. But I like to be on the 1 hour chart, and I like to you know, see our levels here. Let me see something here. Yeah, let me get out of some of this. Get out of some of that, because I need one of our favorite indicators here. Okay, Trader's Reality. TRAD, oh, ERS Reality. Okay, let me actually add that as a, okay. Yeah, this shows all the different sessions and times, so you're gonna be able to see that. So let's just get that over there. And yep. Oh, yeah. Let me just I added it twice here. Okay, now let me pull that back up. There we go. Now we can see these levels. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit here and we can watch these levels. Let's go to the 30-minute actually, since we're gonna be hanging right here on YouTube. Okay, there you go. Psychological low, high, everything. Now we're gonna pump out some good stuff here for you guys. Let me just drop some good tweets here so I can hold it live and you know, get some traffic in here. And yeah, we're gonna look at this chart here. So let's go ahead and take this on here. Okay. Price action. Okay. We go back. And then let me go into here. And we'll be able to see what's going on from this. So we're running live. So you can see the psychological high, psychological low are really being compressed there. And then let's go ahead and shoot over here to whoa. Yep. Wait, what am I doing here? I don't even need to do that. I don't even need to search. I can just, we're gonna go to Ethereum. Okay, there you go. Ethereum psychological low. Right here. 23.65, I would say, yeah. And we're twisting the ribbons. We're gonna go ahead and just rock out. We'll leave some Ethereum on there, and I'll drop in the chat some tweets for you guys, because what we want to do is we want to push out some of the information here. Okay.
I'll be in touch as soon as I know something.
All right. So guys, you can go retweet here. You know, good information, and then our Twitter. We'll drop our Twitter right here at Trades for Radio. And let me just jump over here, and we will talk about the price. Continue to talk about the price. That's our page here. So
Did you see the video?
we got Ethereum here.
Yeah.
Watching the clock.
I'm so sorry. I'm in so much trouble.
Let's go ahead and hop over to
It happens. No, it's more than that. I did
let's see how Cardano's doing.
My mom, but I don't know how.
Oh wow. Definitely would be nice to get that little movement right there.
You need to promise that you're not going to tell anybody, okay?
Okay.
So I've been leaving my house for the last couple of weeks to go running.
Alright, so that's Corona. And then let's go hop over to...
It's faulty. I could take it off and the cops have no idea.
Let's see how Solana... Yeah, checking that 90, man. If we get a nice bounce and then we get a retest of that level right there, that would be very nice.
No. I swear, I was just there to run. Okay, she came out of the building and I was there. Haley, what are you doing here?
Yep, and then the 100. And then I'm liking that 110 for coming up. And then let's go ahead and hop on over to see how the stock market was doing. Phantom. Oh yes, Phantom. I want to see that. I want to see what it does. If it see where it says weekly low. See if we can bounce off of that. See how the market's going. You know. Alright guys, well you know what, don't forget to follow us on Twitter, and don't forget to smash that like button while you're watching here. We have all kinds of information that we drop every day here on Twitter, all over the place guys. So, you know, creation using proof of work and you know, some pretty nice information coming out, you know. The moon, the floor. Yep. I want to invest 10,000 altcoin. Which should you buy right now? Yeah. If I sent you Shiv, what is your first move? I'm betting on meme tokens to make a comeback. Look at that. The sentiment in the market is starting to jump off. So don't forget to come and smash these likes just like I'm doing here, guys. Drop your comments, you know, at Trades for Radio. Okay? You see? J Strategy at Trades for Radio. So don't forget to smash the like and always come join us and rock out with us here at J Strategies.
I'll be careful. I need your help.
All right, let's go back to our charts here. So I was looking at Phantom. So Phantom is flipping the EMA ribbon. Let's go to the 4-hour. If we can flip that, you know, I got it. Wow, you see those green vector candles? Yeah. Okay, so let me see. That next vector candle is below. Phantom. Very nice levels there. We'll go back to Bitcoin. See what's going on. Yeah, you see that? You see how it's retesting the 200 right there on the daily? Hold on. We go to the 4-hour. Wow, you see how it's riding? Hold on, we got to go to the 1-hour actually. And that's best for our indicators. And then let me just do some you know, some stuff here. You can see right where we're at. Look at that. You see how it's just psychological low. Oh, we lost it for a second. Sorry about that. You see where it's psychological low? So in my own opinion, we are going to hit that psychological low level. And if we bounce from there, that'll let us come back into this resistance level of those EMA ribbons that you see coming down. You see the purple box part of the EMA ribbons? Well, that's what we're going to be testing. That's what we're coming up against. That's where the battle begins. that's where we have to see. Let's go to a smaller time frame so that way we can talk about it as it happens. You know, since we have some people joining. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch this, and then you can look and watch for patterns. So I'm going to show you how we use these indicators, and the first people that start following me and watching this are going to be the first lucky ones to be able to see this information. I actually decided to go live today because I'm working off of the cell phone at the same time that I'm on the PC, and I decided to go live today just to see how it is. I'm going to get better equipment. I'm building a nice office area. You know, I do a lot of managing Binance projects, and getting things to happen on the Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, you know. Okay, so we're at 34.9. Another thing that you should really look at, and I'm gonna start showing this like later on, the book map. The book map gets really busy. The book map, you can download it. I'll drop some links actually in the chat. Book map. So you can Google search and get the book map. There is a lot of orders sitting at 30K right now for Bitcoin, So that's what we're watching here right now. Now, what I'm waiting for is Binance. Actually, hold on. BNB. You know what? Let me just want BN. Why is it? Oh, because I guess I'm in different symbols here. All right, let's go back, and then I have it in here. Binance. Yeah, I want to see something with the Binance. Okay, yeah, I like BNB for the fact that she moves, man. She moves, she does her thing. So you can see here. Okay, so let me see. Wow, daily open and psychological low. Now we're looking at a 5-minute time frame for Binance coin here. But let me go ahead and fix this zoom here. All right, wow. So look at this 5-minute time frame for Binance. Looks like we tapped to 390. I have to go to the 1 hour really to give you guys a perspective of what I see here. Okay, so we have, let me just fix this up for you. Excellent. You see that green vector candle right there? That's when it reversed and started going up. But my thoughts would be that, yeah, we're facing a lot of resistance coming into those EMA ribbons. That's why I left that indicator on right there. Let me go ahead and shut EMA ribbons out. Okay. So we can go ahead and see. You see the 50 EMA right there? The 50 EMA, and you see the red vector candle. You see how that came up above the 50, and this was happening today, and then we broke down below, and then you see the red line, which is the 5 EMA. Well, that's pointing down. So, you know what I mean? Oh, you're looking for, good buy points? So in my own opinion, you see where it says psychological and the daily open? So usually it bounces off the daily open if the day is bullish, okay? Today into tomorrow, watch the S&P. So you watch the S&P. I'm going to show you. Ready? So tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, what you do is you go and you look at the S&P. And that will give you that's probably one of my most basic things I could say. Where is it going to go for the day if you're day trading or you're looking for a swing? So you see how the S&P is right now. So tomorrow at pre-market, you're going to want to come and see what's going on pre-market. So if you see some movement and it looks bullish for the day, that usually sets the tone for the day. So then you come back to Bitcoin and you see where we are on the chart, and you can determine what you're going to do for that day, if we are bullish day or if we're not. So in my own opinion, my next buy-in would be when we touch the psychological low. But keep this in mind that Bitcoin still has a lot of liquidity sitting at this 30K level down here, okay? In the book map, if you guys download the book map and take a look in the book map, down at the 30K level, there's 600 Bitcoin right now. Ow. Coming in and sitting there as limit buy orders. So normally they would go down and grab that liquidity. You know what I mean? Let me hop over to Ethereum. A lot of things happening on Ethereum. Actually, I want to go ahead and go back to this news actually real quick, because what I'm trying to say here is, let me go ahead and hop over to we're gonna do Coin Telegraph. Okay. Let's go to Coin Telegraph. Okay. And then here we go. Let's see. I want Indonesian. Okay, we actually have to go back and do the Bitcoin. All right, so it's Bitcoin. Here we go. 34,975. Happy days. Today for the day, it is up 1.25%, which is nice. Happy days. Down for the week, 17.17%. Down 30% for the month. In my own opinion, ding, 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 ding. It's a buy in 24 hours. 34,500. Like we said and like we thought, that 35.5 level is a good level to go from here. If you're gonna think that you're bullish, you want to go long, you never know. All right, now what we're gonna look at is, oh, all right, we want to hit Hitbit, because when trading like 150 Bitcoin or 250 Bitcoin, Hitbit usually has some pretty high liquidity. Let's see what that brings up in this chart here. Volume. You see the massive buy-in when the volume got low. You know what I mean? Here's the Hitbit line. All right. So this is that. Okay. So that had. All right. Now let's go ahead and pull up. Pull up the main page for Bitcoin. Yep, top 5. Here we go. Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. Let me actually bust this out as a tweet too. All right. Yeah, I was actually online looking at like BitPay and Nexo cards and stuff like that, just to see, like, basically living off crypto. Let me go ahead. That's actually, I like waiting for these articles, especially when it says, these articles that come out are really nice. Let me drop a tweet out here at Trades for Radio Twitter. I'll drop this right now. Um, let's do altcoins tag. Altcoins, ALT coins, BSC gem, and then we can it's Luna, Luna. So you gotta check this article out, okay? So I'm gonna drop this article. Very, very informative article. Phantom, guys. We were just talking about Phantom. Just talking about Phantom. Yep. Nice article out right there. I like that. I like to see the top 5 crypto. Let me just do that. Watch this. Okay. Boom. All right. So we busted out that tweet. I'm gonna actually drop that in the chat. I'll drop the Twitter in the chat. So basically, what you can do is you can just go see that article, and let's dive right into it, guys. So this is saying Bitcoin Luna Atom, okay? Phantom ACH. I like that. Bitcoin fell to 34,000 on January 21st, which reflects a 50% decline from the 69,000 high. They keep talking about this high. They keep talking about it. But you got to zoom out. You got to see everything as a whole. So everybody jumped out to go view those articles. We want to look at some charts here. You see these moving averages here? Bitcoin plunged below 39,600, 37 support. That's right when we caught the support levels. let's hop back into the charts. Everybody likes to see the charts. Okay, hopping back into the charts, but I want to look at Phantom because that was a popular one, especially when we're looking at the charts, so I can actually see what's going on over here. Um, let's see. Yeah, Phantom broke above the $3.17 overhead resistance on the 16th, but it couldn't clear the next hurdle, which was 3.48. So let's go ahead and hop over to Phantom. Okay, nice. That's on the 5. Let's go to the 1 hour. And then let's go ahead and pull back out of here. Let's get some information here. Let's get this. Okay, guys. Wow. I like this. Right here. Okay, so the price pulled below the 50 EMA, which is 214 on the 22nd. But it did not come all the way down to the 200 at 157. So, yeah, strong buying pressure. You can see the green vector candles? You see the one that pulled us up from here when we hit the level of $1.78. Yeah. And then now we're above that. So, okay. What did I do? All right. So let me see what we got here. Okay. So yeah, Phantom, we're looking this week, man. If it's bullish tomorrow, I'll drop in and do a video. Either way, and if it's bullish, we'll get some good TA out here, man, because we're going for that 200 EMA, which is above $2.40. So if we bounce back off that daily open, which is at $2, that would be a perfect buy-in opportunity to load up on Phantom for this next rip. We always want to just retest, you know. Let's go ahead and hop into another token. If anybody wants to see any tokens or see any TA done, or just, stop by and look at, give me a ring, man. Stop by, shoot a DM. Doge at 13.6. Okay? We are up into the EMA ribbon. We are at, or we're above the daily open and above psychological low, coming in at the psychological high. So we want to break and hold the psychological high, flip the EMA ribbon, and carry on. Dogecoin. Next, what we're gonna do is, I like Matic too, man. I started buying in Matic when Matic had its last little dip, and it's been nice and upwards from there, man. So right below this ribbon, we hit that psychological low at like 150, and then we come back up, man. That's some good shit right there. You know what I mean? And yeah. All right, let's see what else we can do. Luna. Yeah, Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin's key. Bitcoin. Once we get back to that 39, let's go ahead and see what we can do. Yeah, I'll be on. I'll do a little bit longer, hanging out. I will take a look at some other things. Actually, let's stop by ETH and see what we pull up here, man, because we want Ethereum basically to hold. Wow. Yeah, we need to, not want to, we need to get to the 2.5K. We need to hold that psychological high and break above on these ribbons. So after this crazy dip that we just had, we really need to get that going there. Okay, let me just let me put some descriptions into the video. So let me do, yep, descriptions. So, Bitcoin, yep, descriptions, price action, top cryptocurrencies, yep. And then what we do is we are going to, I'm just doing a bunch of hashtags right now. So that way we can get this video after we're done. We can get this out to everybody because that's how we do. I'm going to drop some links in there too so you guys can stop by and comment and post and go crazy with all of this information that we put out here. Every single day we put out more and more information. I'm always in search of new things, and I just want to see crypto become adopted by everybody, and I want to see everybody join crypto. And anybody that has questions, I want to help them out, and I want to see projects grow. I want to see, I want to see people succeed. I want to try to help out as much as I can. I want to do what I got to do. So I'm here. I'm here to help.
Thank you. I really appreciate that you came out to watch. Seeing you out there.
Yep, I'm here to help. Anything crypto. I dropped a whole bunch of links here in the chat. It's going to be in the description of this live feed that we did today. And let's see. Okay. And then we're just going to leave it at that thumbnail playlist, and then we go to much more. Let's go here. Let's go back. Okay. So Ethereum 24.1. Continue to watch this one, Ethereum. Everybody loves their Ethereum. Number 2, daddy of them all. Okay, saved. Interesting. Okay. So, now in the description of the video, it should show it. Yep. Okay. Let me see. There we go. Yep. Alright, so I put it all in there. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Can you take a look at AVAX? Sure. Sure. AVAX. Very nice. Okay. So AVAX is at 61, right? So what we have here is psychological low. It looks like is at 59. So right at that 60 level, man. So AVAX, in my own opinion, it's coming back for that psychological low right there. Okay, and this is on the 1 hour. This is a good time frame. You see how it's ripped up into the EMA ribbons? Those two blue vector candles right there. So yeah, and then the daily open, which would be at 60, and then 59 for psychological low, because we're really tight for the psychological high and the psychological low. Let's hop into the actually, let's just go right to the daily after this dip we had these past couple days. All right, you see the 5 and the 13, and then the EMA ribbon is starting to flip to turn to the downside. We want to basically consolidate and trade sideways for a few days in order to build some strength and not dip more, depending on the full market sentiment. But the 4 hour, we really need to see a bounce, which is a retest of this level right here, 59 or 60, and then we want to see the next 4 hour candle coming down to that, and then the next one after that we want it to go to the upside. So yeah, this is AVAX. AVAX is a good project, There's a lot of stuff being built on the AVAX blockchain too. So I see AVAX being bullish coming into the year, Alright, I'm glad to present to you. Yeah, I'm just checking some messages here. and running over some price data. Okay. And yeah, guys, we will go live again tomorrow afternoon. After the New York session, I'll come on live again. So what's tomorrow? Monday the 24th. I have some appointments, and then I could possibly... Actually, I could come on tomorrow morning. Yeah. I'm going to probably do a feed. I could do a feed, tomorrow morning, right before the New York session. Right before the New York City session. Tomorrow, okay? We will be live. Live and talking markets. Okay. So, that's basically what we're going to do. Okay. So now, I just want to run through this real quick, and we're going to take a look at Shiba had its days, man. It had its runs. But again, with the same thing, we want to see it bounce off of this daily open psychological low levels. You see how that green vector candle pulls it up, and then we trade. We come above, and then and then the red vector candle pulls us back below it. Now we're gonna bounce below it, and until we can break above it again. Okay, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to stop by for our little chat here. We'll do it Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m., maybe earlier. So stay tuned for the next lovely days here. Bye-bye.